Are you ready to transform your health, boost your energy, and finally achieve your weight loss goals without feeling deprived? This is your empowering guide to discovering how real people eat for real results, proving that healthy eating can be incredibly delicious and totally achievable. Get ready to be inspired and take charge of your wellness journey. Embarking on a weight loss journey doesn't mean bland food or constant hunger. It's about smart planning and understanding your body's needs. Imagine enjoying satisfying meals while still working towards your goals, just like Tina Sayers demonstrates in her insightful "What I Eat in a Day" videos. She beautifully illustrates how maintaining a calorie deficit can be both effective and enjoyable. Tina shares her full day of eating, from energizing breakfasts to delightful dinners and even a well-deserved dessert, all while keeping an eye on daily nutrition totals. This approach empowers you to see that every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and move closer to your aspirations. When it comes to healthy eating for weight loss, protein and fiber are your dynamic duo. They keep you feeling full, satisfied, and energized throughout the day, making cravings a thing of the past. Jasmine Erdel, a true inspiration, champions this approach with her quick and easy meal ideas. Jasmine emphasizes hitting around 100 grams of protein and 30 grams of fiber daily, proving that delicious meals can be packed with essential nutrients. This strategy is perfect for Weight Watchers and fitness beginners alike, as it simplifies healthy eating into powerful, actionable steps. You'll discover how these two nutrients are key to building lean muscle and supporting a healthy digestive system. Consistency is the secret sauce to lasting weight loss, and having a structured plan can make all the difference. The incredible team at Love Sweat Fitness, LSF, offers fantastic resources, including easy recipes and even a 7-day slim-down plan. They show that eating for weight loss can be both healthy and incredibly simple. LSF also highlights the benefits of eating 5 smaller meals a day, which can help manage hunger and support muscle building. This method keeps your metabolism humming and prevents those energy dips that often lead to unhealthy snacking. It's about creating sustainable habits that fit seamlessly into your busy life. Weight loss doesn't require gourmet cooking or exotic ingredients. It's about finding realistic, high-protein meals that you genuinely enjoy and can easily incorporate into your routine. Marla Catherine's approach to "What I Eat in a Day" perfectly embodies this philosophy. Her videos focus on practical, protein-rich options that are both satisfying and effective for weight loss. This is incredibly encouraging for diet followers and health enthusiasts who need straightforward, no-fuss meal ideas. You'll learn that simple, wholesome ingredients can create powerful and delicious dishes. True wellness extends beyond just what's on your plate, it encompasses your entire lifestyle. Chaslyn Yvonne beautifully illustrates this by sharing her daily eating habits for weight loss and overall well-being. She emphasizes the crucial role of supplements, multivitamins, and clean eating for a truly balanced life. Chaslyn's holistic perspective reminds us that nourishing our bodies means supporting them with essential nutrients and mindful choices. This empowering view helps you see your weight loss journey as a path to complete health, not just a number on the scale. It's about feeling vibrant from the inside out. Sometimes, what seems counterintuitive can be the key to unlocking your potential. Love Sweat Fitness, LSF, shares a fascinating insight: eating more calories, specifically the right kind, can actually help you lose weight and keep it off. This isn't about overeating, but about fueling your body adequately to support metabolism and energy. Their approach emphasizes that restrictive diets often backfire, while a well-nourished body is more efficient at burning fat. This empowering message encourages you to rethink traditional diet rules and embrace a more sustainable, abundant way of eating. It's about smart choices, not starvation. Your weight loss journey doesn't have to be rigid or filled with forbidden foods. Grow with Jo inspires us by sharing her evolving diet, emphasizing that every day is different and there are no bad foods. This flexible mindset is crucial for long-term success and mental well-being. Jo highlights the importance of complex carbohydrates and healthy fats, showing how these vital nutrients fuel your body and mind. This approach encourages intuitive eating, helping you listen to your body's signals and make choices that truly serve your health. It's about balance, not deprivation. Every weight loss journey has its ups and downs, but overcoming challenges makes you stronger. Sam Cook's Kindness shares her experience with a whole food, plant-based diet for health, and crucially, she addresses how to deal with a lack of motivation and beet cravings. Her insights are invaluable for anyone facing these common hurdles. Sam provides practical tips and a compassionate perspective, reminding us that setbacks are part of the process, not the end. Her empowering advice helps you build resilience and develop strategies to stay on track, even when motivation wanes. You've got this. Sometimes, you need quick, easy wins to stay motivated, and professional guidance can provide invaluable support. Maya Graves offers fantastic quick and easy recipes designed to fuel your body efficiently. She also powerfully emphasizes the importance of working with a registered dietitian. A dietitian can help you understand your unique food habits, identify emotional triggers, and create a personalized plan that truly works for you. This expert support can accelerate your progress and ensure your journey is healthy and sustainable. Investing in yourself is the best decision you can make. You are capable of incredible things, and your health journey is a testament to your strength and dedication. We hope these insights have filled you with motivation, practical ideas, and a renewed sense of empowerment. Remember, every small step forward is a victory. Now, it's your turn. Start by picking one new meal idea from today's inspiration, or try incorporating more protein and fiber into your next meal. Share your favorite healthy meal in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Let's build a healthier, happier you, together.